Hey everyone, if you want to create this amazing neon glow effect using pure CSS, no library, no JavaScript, just a simple CSS trick. In this video, I will show you how to create glowing text and glowing image step by step. You will see how we can apply glowing effect to the text and image using CSS filters. Now let's understand difference between box shadow and drop shadow. Box shadow applies the shadow to the entire rectangle box, but drop shadow follows the actual shape of the element, so it gives more natural glow effect. Now let's get started. Let's start with the HTML. Here we have two elements, h1 and images. First we apply the style of the h1. We set the color to aqua, increase the font size and add some letter spacing to make it look clean. We use the filter property with multiple drop shadow values. Each drop shadow adds the layer of the glow. First shadow is a small for a sharp glow. Second is a bigger for a medium glow. Third is a large for a soft outer glow. This combination creates the realistic neon effect. And we can set any color to the element. As you can see, I used the black color but applied the same glow. Now let's apply the same concept to the images. Now set the width to the images. If I set the box shadow to the image, it applies the shadow to the entire rectangle box. But I want to apply glow effect to the actual shape of the element. Here, I use the drop shadow. As you can see, it gives more natural glow effect. Now I change the image. We use drop shadow again and use with red color. This makes the images look like glowing from edges. In short, glow effect perfectly follows the shape of the image, not the box. That's why we use the drop shadow. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And comment below what effect you want to learn next. And thanks for watching.